15 integers, a 1 through a 15, are arranged in order on a number line. They are equally spaced, and they satisfy. A 1 is between 1 and 10, a 2 is between 13 and 20, and a 15 is between 241 and 250. What is the sum of the digits of a 14? You can pause here and solve the problem before seeing the solution. Because the integers are equally spaced, each term is the previous term plus a fixed step d. So ak equals a1 plus k minus 1 times d. In particular, a 15 equals a1 plus 14d. Now pin down d. A 1 is between 1 and 10, and a 15 is between 241 and 250. Since a 15 minus a 1 equals 14d, that difference is between 231 and 249. Dividing by 14, d is between about 16.5 and 17.8. Since d is a whole number, d must be 17. Next, find a 1. A 2 equals a 1 plus 17, and it must be between 13 and 20. So a 1 is at most 3. And a 15 equals a 1 plus 238. Which must be at least 241. So a 1 is at least 3. The only value that works is a 1 equals 3. Finally, a 14 equals a 1 plus 13d, which is 3 plus 13 times 17. That is 3 plus 221, giving 224. The sum of its digits is 2 plus 2 plus 4, which equals 8. The sum of the digits of a 14 is 8.